Jessie'S speaking.
Wagwan, massive. You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. You still was talking to me, and I'm looking at you, and you just start talking.
Nigga.
My bad. It's something on your lips. Sorry.
Before we get started, we want to give a big shout out to Tremaine. He did a reaction video to our B-word prank, and it was pretty funny. Go check it out.
Yes.
Also, we already posted our 4 winners. We'll post them again real quick for you guys to see. Shout out to you guys. Great job. That was for our 10,000 subs giveaway. And don't worry, if you didn't win this one, don't worry, we're going to have a lot more giveaways. So just stay tuned, stay supporting, and let's get to it.
So guys, today's video is going to be
I'm pretty sure they say it in the description.
yeah, or in the title, I guess. I still wanted to do all that though. But yeah, guys, when it's sitting in the title already, Jessie is going to be speaking Patois. I gotta. The video done, you know.
Wagwan, me there. Alright.
So guys, we're gonna test his skills to see if he's been paying enough attention to me. You know, make sure he got everything down.
Well, this is part 2. So the first video she was speaking Patois, and I had to transfer it to English.
Yep.
Now she's going to speak English, and I have to switch it to Patois. And the final video is going to be me doing a full day going and speaking Patois.
That's part 3
to random people. Yeah, that's
part 3. So that's not going to be in this
final
one.
part. It's not going to be in this one. But that's what we're preparing for. That's what these 2 videos prepare for, that video. So let's get to it.
The first thing on my list is I don't have anything to eat.
Okay. We don't have anything to eat. Wait, I don't know. Wait, we not have anything to eat.
Yeah, me not have nothing to eat.
Me not have nothing to eat. There it is. Alright, got that one. Number 1.
Okay.
Got it.
Second one, go stand over there.
Go on, stand up over there, so. Go on, stand up over there, so. Go on.
Go stand up
over there, so. That is. Yeah. Go stand up over there, so. That's all.
Can I have some of your food?
I know this one. Beg you some of your food. No. Beg you some of your food. Me beg you some of your food. I ask for food all the time anyway. You're gonna need that. You're not gonna eat that.
What?
You're not gonna eat that.
I don't know what he think he's saying, y'all, but it ain't. This ain't that.
You're not gonna eat that, right? That's not.
No.
How you say it? You're not gonna eat that.
So, are you asking me if I'm gonna eat that?
I'm saying you're not gonna eat it because I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, you saying I'm not gonna eat it?
Yeah.
You're not gonna eat that.
Yeah. Give me. Alright. What's the next?
Our next one is never mind, I don't need your help.
Hold on. Never mind, I don't need your help. Me not need you. Me good.
I mean, it's one way to say it.
Me never need you. Me good.
Or you could have said, no bother, me not need your help.
Yeah, that too. Yep, no bother.
Yep.
No bother, me never need your help. Me good.
The next one is you eat a lot.
You love your belly.
Oh, Jesus.
You yam enough. Right? You yam enough?
Nyam.
Yeah, you're nyam enough. There it is.
I am hollering over here, okay? I don't eat that.
Me never yam that. Me never yam that. Nyam that. Me not like that. Me not eat that.
Me not nyam that.
Me not name that. That's what I said.
That's not what you said.
I said yam.
You said me no yam that. Me no yam that. Like a caveman. Me no yam that.
Me not name that.
You sound like you said name. Nyam. Said nyam.
Nyam.
Nyam. Let me tell you something you don't know. Let me tell you something.
Got it. Hold on. I got it. Let me tell you something. You now know.
Wrong.
Let me tell you something. You now know.
Wrong.
Me tell you something. You now know.
Wrong. Make me tell you something where you don't know.
Me tell you something. You now know.
Make. Me. Tell. You. Something. Where. You. No. Stop, motherfucker. Where. You. No. It's not. Let me tell you something where you know. I know. Cause you keep saying no. It's no.
It's no.
The next one is go look for your mom or go find your mom.
Go find your mama.
No, sir.
Go find your mama. I'm not playing with you.
Alright. I really was thinking about food when I made these sentences. I really am hungry. My bad, y'all. But look, okay. The next one is
Curry go for dinner.
I wish.
Go ahead.
I haven't eaten all day.
Me not yam since morning. Me not yam since morning. Alright?
Me not yam from morning.
Me not yam from morning.
Why you singing? Me not yam from morning. Me not yam from
That's how
morning.
y'all sound. Y'all
No, we
sing.
don't.
Y'all always sound like y'all sound.
No, we don't. What the fuck?
Americans. When y'all hear Jamaicans, don't they sound like they singing? Wagwan. Nagwan. Me there. Wagwan.
Shut up.
Alright.
The next one is I'm going to hit you in the face.
Ooh, hold on. Thump you in the face. I'm gonna thump you in your face. You tell me all the time. Thump. You tell me all the time. Yeah. I made me thump you on your face. Now make me thump you on your face.
What?
I know that one.
What? Say it again.
Try me. Watch, I'm gonna thump you on your face.
Say it again. No. Say it again.
Thump. It's
Say it again.
thump with a T, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You better not go work, go say them something when people hear you. Remember, see you work with a Jamaican. And him not gonna take that lightly.
I'm gonna tell him.
Nicole, just know if you see this video, I warned him ahead of time not to say that to you. So if he says that, that's all on him. Don't let him tell you that I said to say that. No. So you better not go tell him that.
Wait till I see him.
Y'all gonna be boxing.
Make me thump you on your face.
Y'all gonna be boxing at the station. That's so funny.
Alright, what's the next one?
So y'all, he can say the cuss words better than he can say anything else in patois. Like he know all the cuss words, okay?
Of course.
What's the worst thing you can say to a Jamaican?
You want me to say that?
Yeah.
On here.
Go ahead, yeah. Yeah.
Suck your Hey, do not say that to a Jamaican unless your life not scratch you.
Your life will scratch you.
Unless your life will scratch you. Do not say that to a Jamaican unless your knife.
Your life, I scratch you. I'm
you.
dead.
Now that I would never say.
Get them 2 more bad words.
2 more bad words?
Yeah.
Bombard. Let me see. Pussy. Where I laugh at?
That's why have you never laugh at?
You think I joke?
Yes, I think I joke.
That thing a joke you make?
Yeah, give them 1 more bad word.
1 more bad word?
Yeah.
What you guys want here? They want where I want here?
Give them 1 more, man. Just 1 more, I make we done it. Give it to them straight.
Bambara squad.
That's let me just say, ain't nothing funnier to me than American or a different like nationality trying to speak Patois. It's so funny to me. Like, I just think that's so hilarious, and I know a lot of other my Jamaican sisters and brothers think it's funny as well. But yeah, you got that on lock, babe.
Hey.
That was spot on. Yup.
We do, fam.
Yup. Where you say me? Where bad one go?
I'm not say that.
Yeah, that's it again. Remember, say your mother-in-law watch. We have for sure respect. Sorry, mommy, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, mom. It's both of y'all.
Yeah, because they both understand. Dang, I forgot. They both understand. My American mom, she understand the patois just like he does. So, sorry to both moms, okay? If y'all watching, don't watch. Just cut it off.
Right.
No disrespect. Love y'all. But alright guys, that concludes the video. Let us know what you think down below in the comments about this video.
Hey, if you guys learned something new, you know what I'm saying, you can share it to the world.
Yep.
So now y'all can go up and hey, I speak Patois. Y'all learn what, 10 words?
Well, 10 sentences and a few cuss words.
Yeah. So,
and guys, we want y'all to rate his skills from 1 to 10 in the comment down below as well. Let us know how you think he did, y'all, cause them cuss words was on point.
oh man, when we do this Patois part 3, I don't know what we gonna shoot it at. It might be in like Walmart or something. I'm going up to random strangers speaking Patois. I'm gonna cuss them out. Cussing them out in Patois, y'all. So stay tuned.
I'm not trying to look. I don't want nobody whooping my A, okay? So I'm gonna be behind the scenes.
We don't even know about that. I don't know about that.
Oh my god. But thank you guys so much for watching. 17+K is where we're at currently. Yay!
I know,
we appreciate all of y'all. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Do not forget to hit that notification bell if you haven't already. So
go ahead and follow our Instagram at Jessie_loves_Whitney. It'll be at the bottom of the screen. It's always there in this little corner right there. Yep. So that's it. That's the end of the video, right?
that's it.
Yep. So stay tuned for part 3. Till next time.
Till next time.